If you've been going to the gym for weeks and haven't noticed any particular muscle gains, it's probably less about your workout and more about what you're eating. Today, we're going over foods that are great for building muscle, their serving sizes, proteins, and fats they offer. Beef, the complete protein. A 5-ounce serving contains 340 calories, 38 grams of protein, 20 grams of fat, and no carbohydrates. Beef can play an integral role in the muscle building process. It has an extremely high content of good quality protein and also contains additional amino acids that are known to interact with insulin in a way that promotes the shedding of proteins from the blood into the muscle tissue. Brown rice, the slow-release carbohydrate. 100 gram serving contains 110 calories, 3 grams of protein, 1 gram of fat, 23 grams of carbohydrates. Brown rice can play an indirect yet important role in the muscle building process, providing us with prolonged energy throughout the duration of the day without a crash. This energy can be used to fuel high-intensity training sessions, which is the key driver to build new muscle tissue. Eggs, the perfect protein. A single egg contains 78 calories, 7 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and 1 gram of carbohydrates. Eggs contain a vast array of amino acids that are essential to building lean muscle tissue, while also providing the body with a host of function and immune health. Chicken, the lean protein. A 5-ounce serving contains 230 calories, 47 grams of protein, 5 grams of fat, and no carbohydrates. Similar to beef, chicken is a fantastic source of good quality protein, essential to the repair of damaged muscle tissue, and of course the building of new muscle tissue. Chicken typically has a lower fat content than other meats, which makes it a great option for those looking to put on lean mass. As an added bonus, chicken is extremely versatile for those who don't have access to healthy lunch options at work or on the go. Oats, the mass-building carbohydrate. A 100 gram serving contains 389 calories, 17 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, and 66 grams of carbohydrates. Oats are another great source of carbohydrates that register a low GI value. This ensures a steady stream of energy is provided to the body without a sugar crash. Oats are minimally processed and contain a high amount of fiber. This increases satisfaction after eating, while also promoting improved gut and digestive health. Due to a high safety rating, oats can curb hunger signals, which can also promote fat loss over time, making ideal for those trying to add lean mass and reduce fat mass.